guys, welcome to my channel. So we're riding to Taal Basilica to San Pascual, then back to San Jose. So samahan niyo po kami sa aming ride. So yun guys, we're start to biking. So God bless and ride safe. Time check, it's 5:07 in the morning. So for today's vlog, may mga kasama tayo. Maganda yung ganitong oras mag-ride kasi bukod sa konti sasakyan, hindi pa mainit. Ayan guys, update ko kayo mamaya kasi hindi natin may vlog ko lahat ang daraanan natin. So we're back. So sana mag-add ng music habang nag-vid para may music sa natin sa vlog, kaso baka makapiright tayo guys. So kaya yung ingay na lang na sasakyan yung titiisin nyo muna. So napili namin daan ay yung medyo may kadalian na daan. Kapag ganitong oras parang nakakatakot mag-bike no, kasi madilim pa.
One eternity later.
Hop. O, yan sila. Gawin sa akin. Saan talaga tayo sa pagkakon? May santay niyo ako sa taas ha. Para sa vlog. Para sa vlog, umahon tayo. Nabudol. Ano ba to? Ako na ulit. So mga kasama ko din na nagbabike. Shout out sa inyo. Sayang at bigay na kasama ngayon. Pero sunod na ride na lang ako. So from now on, sila muna dalawang kasama natin. Sino na kasama? So, kasama natin si Master Dennis. Kasi, Master tayo. Kinride lang, pero bakit ganun? So guys, nakapansin nyo, iba talaga pag solo ride. Kasi sa may mga kasama ka mag-ride. Take a shot.
A few moments later.
Always tayong tumawag sa ating mga preno pag mga ganito lumulupong tayo. No? Kasi yung distansya nyo, panituloyin nyo ganyan para yung sabi sa preno nasa unahan nyo makakapre pa. Makuling-ling dito guys. Baka sadyang uulan ngayong araw. Kanina kasi umaabot ako. Pero sana naman, ganda yung panahon. Makapagbigyan tayo sa ngayong ride natin. No, na hindi ulan, araw lang. Okay, malapit na ba? Okay, malapit na daw tayo. Okay, tayo. So, ang sarap kumain. So, from the moment like this, kailangan namin i-document or kailangan namin mag-selfie. Hi naman kayo sa vlog! So, tara na. So, yun guys. Preparing for Victorian. Ano masasabi nyo mamaya pagbalik? Chill ride lang. Chill ride lang tayo pabalik kasi ang haba ng aahunin natin. Budol tayo mamaya. Wala tayong best shots.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the bag, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch now. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me.
So yun guys, after namin dito sa Taal Basilica, utay na namin ahunin yung nilosong natin kanina. Nilosong namin kanina. Utay na. So, ang ruta naman natin ngayon is pa San Pascual. Dadayo tayo sa Juan Lomi House. Sikat na lomian sa San Pascual. Nakauno yung ano ko, gear ko. Yes. Wear your helmet always. Guys, patay na lang kami dito sa may 7-Eleven. Okay. Hi guys. Huwag kayo sa vlog. So, vlog natin.
Ngayon, mas paghapon bumalik ko rin, pupunta kay Tita Los.
Pahinga muna. So, ayun guys. Suminto kami dito sa may Santa Teresita para magpahinga. And, isa natin kasama ay module time. Sipag ah. Nasipag mag-module ah, kahit may ride. Sorry, busy mo. But anyways, Module!
Dapat daw ang dapat.
Ganun daw dapat. Sipag na estudyante. Let's go! Kakatapos ng long ride, lume. Alat na agad sa lumian, guys. Nagpagutom lang para madaming kain ng lumi. Sabi nga, nung pisan ko na vlogger din, pampalakas daw ng tuhod ang lumi. Kaya,
2,000 years later.
so yun guys, nakarating kami ng San Pascual. Yeah, mga kasama ko. Okay pa naman kayo?
Ayos pa.
Ayos pa. So, dito kami maglalomi kami sa Juan's Lomi House. Yan.
Rolling down in the deep. When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental break. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean, ayy. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental break. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion, yeah. I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She said that I'm cool, I'm like, yeah, that's true. I believe in G-O-D, don't believe in T-H-O-T. She keep playing me down, I'ma play up for fun. Yeah, don't really know my mentor, let me give you the picture that's center. Falling out in a drought, no flow, rain was pouring down. See that pain was all around, see my mode was kinda lounge. Didn't know which way to turn, flow was cool but I still felt burned. Energy up, you can feel my surge, I'ma kill everything like this purge. Let's just get this straight for a second. I'ma work, even if I don't get paid for progression. I'ma get it. Everything that I do is electric. I'ma keep it in the motion, keep it moving like kinetic. Put this shit in a frame, but I know I don't blame everything that I say. Man, I seen you deflate. Let me elevate this in a prank. Have you walking on a plane? Both hands together, God, let me pray. Now let me pray. I've been going right around, call that.